In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share documents on Microsoft Teams during a meeting. Sharing documents effectively in Microsoft Teams can greatly enhance your meetings, enabling smoother collaboration and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Microsoft Teams account. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and open your Teams app or navigate to the Teams website. Enter your credentials and you'll be ready to go. Now, to share a file in a live meeting, you need to either start a new meeting or join an existing one. This is quite straightforward. In your Teams interface, locate the option to start a meeting and give it a click. You'll either see this up front in the calendar section or when you select a team or channel. Once you're in the meeting window, you're one step closer to sharing your document. On the meeting screen, look for the Share button. It's generally located at the top or near the bottom of your screen, represented by an arrow icon stepping out of a box. Clicking this will bring up sharing options where you can choose to share your screen, a window, or a particular tab. This flexibility allows you to decide what content your participants will see. Whether you're sharing a PowerPoint presentation or a specific application window, make sure to select it accurately. Alternatively, if you're looking to share a document directly within the meeting chat, that option is available as well. First, you'll need to open the chat panel within the meeting. Look for the chat bubble icon and give that a click. In the chat window, find the Compose box at the bottom and spot the paperclip icon. This is your attachment tool. Once you click on the paperclip icon, you'll be prompted to select the file you want to share. You have the flexibility to choose files from your computer, access documents from OneDrive, or pick from recent files. This feature is particularly handy for those last-minute file needs that arise just before or during meetings. To enhance understanding or provide necessary context regarding the document, consider adding an optional message alongside your file. This can be a brief description or important points the participants should note. Once you're ready, click Send to share your file with everyone in the meeting chat. It's as simple as that. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to sharing documents in Microsoft Teams meetings. By following these steps, you'll ensure your meetings are more productive and collaborative. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this video helpful for your future Teams interactions.